Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make rice water toner. First, select 1/2 cup of white rice, such as jasmine or basmati. Rinse the rice thoroughly under clean water to remove any impurities. Next, soak the rinsed rice in 2 cups of distilled water for about 30 minutes. This simple soaking method extracts beneficial nutrients. Finally, strain the rice water into a clean, airtight container, and it is ready for use. This basic preparation is quick and effective for daily skincare. For a more potent version, consider fermented rice water. Soak 1/2 cup of rice in 2 cups of water for 24 hours. Then, allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature for 1 full day. This fermentation process enhances its antioxidant properties. After fermentation, strain the liquid into a clean spray bottle. Remember to dilute the fermented water with 1 to 2 parts plain water before applying it to your skin. This helps prevent any potential irritation. Applying your homemade rice water toner is simple. After cleansing your face, you can apply it using a soft cotton pad, gently swiping across your skin. Alternatively, for a refreshing feel, mist your face directly with a fine spray bottle. For storage, fresh rice water should be kept in the refrigerator and used within 1 week. Fermented rice water, due to its enhanced properties, can last for up to 2 weeks when properly refrigerated, ensuring longer usability. To ensure the best experience, always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before full facial application. This helps check for any sensitivities. For optimal benefits, incorporate rice water toner into your routine 1 to 2 times daily. Remember to adjust the dilution ratio, especially for fermented versions, based on your skin's unique sensitivity. Most importantly, discontinue use immediately if you experience any irritation or adverse reactions. Your skin's health is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.